Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
Following the recent upward spike in economic activities in oil-rich Delta State, the governor, Right Honorable Sheriff Oborevwori, says his administration will continue to create a conducive environment for businesses and investments to flourish in the state. Governor Oborevwori, who made this statement last week at the presidential commissioning of the AHL Gas Processing Plant 2 in Kwale, Ndokwa West local government area, affirmed that Delta State remains a choice destination for both local and foreign investors.
Commissioning the gas plant virtually, President Bola Tinubu pointed that his administration will leverage the abundant opportunities gas presents to stimulate growth across every sector of the Nigerian economy.
The federal government is stepping its coordination of other landmark projects and initiatives that will ensure the earliest possible realization of gas fuel for prosperity in our country.
For his part, the governor of Delta State, Right Honorable Sheriff Oborevwori, noted that the investment is a testament to the business-friendly environment that exists in the state, making it a destination of choice for all classes of investors.
This will not only boost our energy security, but also stimulate economic growth, create employment opportunities, and improve the standard of living for our people. This represents yet another testament that investment in Delta State are safe and thus the first point of call for investors.
In a different development, the Delta State Task Force on Recovery of Government Lands, led by its chairman, Chief Frank Omare, last week demolished illegal structures on a portion of land belonging to Dennis Osadebe University and Y Asaba. This came after an initial notice was issued to the illegal occupant over 6 months ago in October 2023. Chief Frank Omare, while sympathizing with those affected, stated that this became imperative to stem the ugly trend where unruly members of the public wantonly encroach on government properties.
Nobody should be misinformed. We are not victimizing anybody. Nobody is our enemy, but the law is the law. We sympathize with the situation, and for us, tomorrow, people will be straight. And of course, other local governments, it's an advice, not warning. We have started parking way away from the government properties and those land that does not belong to you.
For his part, the Deputy Vice Chancellor, Academics and Research, Professor Robert Ogenedoro, decried the conduct of these illegal occupants.
This is university land. It's meant for Faculty of Agriculture, but you can see what it has been turned into. In fact, for us to even use this place again for the purpose intended, it will be capital intensive. So this is what government should do. We are very happy that the right thing has been done.
Chief Omare, while sounding a note of caution to those involved in this illegal business across the state, maintained that the Oborevwori-led government in the state would not be deterred, nor will it fail to prosecute anyone found wanting.
Inside the Niger Delta,